Hey, everyone, welcome back to IndeedSEO, your go-to channel for top-tier marketing strategies. If you're a business owner with multiple locations, today's video is just for you. We're talking about how to effectively do SEO for multiple locations at once. Why SEO for multiple locations is crucial. Now, if you run a business that has a presence in more than one city, region, or area, local SEO is your secret weapon. Local SEO helps you get noticed by people searching for services in those specific locations. For businesses with multiple locations, it's essential to ensure you're visible in each of the areas you serve. This can mean the difference between growing your customer base or losing out to your competition. Create separate location pages. Step 1. Create separate landing pages for each location. Having a single page for your business won't cut it if you're in multiple areas. Each location needs its own page with the city name, services, and any other local specific details. For instance, if you have offices in New York and Los Angeles, make sure you have 2 separate pages optimized for those cities. The more specific you are to each location, the better. Optimize Google Business Profiles. Step 2. Optimize your Google My Business profiles. For every location you serve, create a separate Google My Business listing. This means adding accurate information like your location's address, phone number, working hours, and website. A fully optimized GMB profile will help customers find your business quickly and easily, especially when they search locally. Target local keywords. Step 3. Use location-specific keywords. This is where the magic happens. You need to focus on keywords that include the location of your business. For example, if you're a salon in Chicago, target keywords like Best Salon in Chicago or Chicago Beauty Services. By optimizing your pages with local keywords, search engines will better understand which areas you serve, helping your site show up in relevant search results. Build local backlinks. Step 4. Build local backlinks. Local SEO isn't just about optimizing your own site, it's also about gaining backlinks from other trusted local sites. Reach out to local directories, community organizations, and even other local businesses to get featured. These backlinks signal to search engines that your business is trustworthy and relevant to the area, boosting your local rankings. Gather local reviews. Step 5. Get reviews from local customers. Positive reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Facebook play a huge role in local SEO. Encourage your customers to leave reviews for your locations. A good review strategy helps build trust, improves your local search ranking, and, most importantly, attracts more customers to your business. Use structured data markup. Step 6. Implement structured data markup. Adding schema markup to your website helps search engines understand the context of your location pages better. This is a technical aspect, but it can provide search engines with more accurate information about your different locations, helping your pages rank more effectively for local searches. Mobile optimization. Step 7. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Local searches are often done on mobile devices, so it's important that your website is optimized for smartphones and tablets. A mobile-friendly site that loads quickly and has easy navigation will improve your user experience and your rankings. By following these simple yet effective steps, you can optimize your business for multiple locations at once. From creating location-specific landing pages and optimizing your Google My Business listings to using local keywords, building backlinks, and more, each step plays a crucial role in making sure you show up for the right searches. Don't forget to subscribe to IndeedSEO for more digital marketing tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. If you want professional help with your SEO strategy for multiple locations, our team is ready to assist you. Reach out today and let's get your business ranking higher. Thanks for watching. Keep growing and getting noticed, and we'll see you in the next video.